Welcome to Lesson 5 for Module 3. What we're taking a look at today is really similar to the addition that we've been doing with fractions, but this time instead we're taking some away. Just like with addition, in order to combine the amounts, we have to make the sizes the same. And the same is true for subtraction. Here what we got on our first one. This picture right here shows 3/4 of a rectangle shaded. And then it says to use that picture to be able to show how to create an equivalent fraction for 3/4 and then to be able to take away 1/3. So if we're going to come up with an equivalent fraction for that, we're taking away 1/3. So here's my little messy drawing. We're going to be taking away 1/3. So let's make this one into thirds like we've been doing, and we will color it in so we get a difference. So if that much is 1/3, and that's how much we're going to be taking away. So let's make this one so it's also 2 into thirds. And we'll make this one so that it's also into fourths, so we can kind of compare here. So those lines from here is going to continue on over, straight across. So it starts here and then continues on over. So this says that we're taking away 1/3. Let's see how many pieces that is in this case. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of red. So that in this case is 1, 2, 3 dots in them. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So if we're going to take away that many, that means we're going to be taking away 1 of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them. Another way to look at that too is if you subtract by crossing them out. That's another way to kind of think about it. And so that's leaving us 5 pieces. Now to actually answer it as fractions, we can see in this case that this became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces total. So 12 pieces total. How many were covered? 3, 6, 9 of them were colored. And what we're taking away in this case is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got twelfths. So they match their common denominators. How many are we taking away? 4 of those twelfths. And when we say 9 minus 4, we know that what we're going to have is a 5. The other way to think about it is, what is the difference? What can I add to 4 to get to 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then we're there. So 5 twelfths. And let's see if that matches. Here's 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5 pieces that are not X'd out now. So it does match. So we did our subtraction. This one's telling us find the difference, use a rectangular fraction to find the common denominators. So I'm just going to keep my red. Here's one. Here's the other one. So we need 2. We've got 2 fractions here. And this one's going to be into sixths. So it's going to have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. This one's going to get broken into thirds. And now we can color in. So I'm going to get a different color. So in this case, what we've got going is there's 5 of them that are shaded. 3, 4, 5 of them are shaded. And in this case that we're taking away 1/3, so that's how much is shaded in this case. And now let's get a different color so we can do our alternate lines going the other way. So this one, we need to make this one also thirds. So when you think about it, it's kind of like multiplying 6 times 3. So you can guess there's probably going to be 18 pieces in there, right? And so if we've got 6 of these, here's line 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. And now let's count how many of these there are. There's 3 going this way, and there are 6 going this way. So therefore, it must be 18ths. This one, there's 6 going this way and 3 going this way, so 6 times 3 is still 18, just like it was on the last box, right? Now if we count how many of them are colored, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 of them are colored. And we are taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we're taking away 6 of them. So let's get another color. We'll go pink. And we'll make our X's. We're taking away this one, taking away this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So then we count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 18ths left over. 9 18ths is also the same as half because 9 is half of 18. So that's simplifying. All right, let's do one more before we show you your homework. Let's go to F. We'll do the hardest one. So on this one, we have 5 sevenths and 2/3 that we're taking away. So we'll make our first one. Here's our second one. And then we're going to make this into sevenths, so it's going to have 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That piece is way off, way off. I'm going to try this one again because that looks just way too sloppy. Way too sloppy for me. All right, let's try again. Let's get that pen back. Here's our square. I'm going to try that countdown thing because that seems to work. Here's line 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm done. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces. This one has to go into thirds, so it takes 2 lines. Now let's color in. We'll use pink. And this one, 5 of them are colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you say 6, 7, those 2 are not colored in, then 2/3 of this is colored in. 2/3 of that is colored in. And then we're going to need to make some new lines because we've got to have common denominators, so we've got to make them equal. I'm going to use gray this time. So this one, we have to break it into thirds. And you can guess that if it's 7 this way, it's not guessing, what am I saying? You can figure out if it's 7 this way, 3 this way, that 7 times 3 is 21. So there's 21 equal pieces here. This one we have to break it into sevenths. So I'm going to go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And same thing, 3 times 7 is 21. So there's 21 pieces in there. And now we figure out how many of them we have colored. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 15 out of 21 over here is colored. So you can think about it when you look at this. In order to 7 times what gets you 21? 7 times 3 gets you 21. 5 times 3 gets you 15. So those do match. So this one we've got 2/3. Let's see how many we've got then. That's 2. 2 going this way, 7 going this way, so that must be 14. And then we can double check it again. I know that in order to get to 21, I go 3 times 7. If I multiplied 3 times 7, I have to multiply the top times 7 as well, and that gets me that same 14. Now we subtract go ahead and make our x's just to kind of show you what's up. So this is 14 of them, so we have to take 14 out of here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That leaves us 1 that's still colored in, and that matches what we've got here. 15 minus 14 is 1. How big is that size? It's not 12 like I was about to write. It's actually the other way around, 21. All right, so that's the answer to that. So here is tonight's homework. I'm going to ask you to pick one. Pick one, and you're going to do it the same way that you just watched. All right, see you tomorrow.